In today's video, I'll teach you how to add friends on Clash Royale. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Clash Royale application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the battle interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the friends icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all of your friends over here. So if you want to add the friends, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, invite friend. Now you'll be able to find the link over here. You can simply copy this link and you can simply send this link to the friends that you want to invite. Likewise, you'll be able to find various other applications. You can directly send the link via these applications too. So like this, you'll be able to add the friends. There's also another way to add the friends. You can do it via the Supercell ID. For that, what you have to do is tap on the hamburger icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At last, you'll be able to find the option for Supercell ID. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find three options over here: ID rewards, friends, my games. Tap on this option, friends. Now you'll be able to add the friends. Simply tap on this option, add, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find three options over here. You'll be able to see your QR code. You can simply tell your friend to scan this QR code and you'll be added with them. Likewise, you can also scan their QR code. For that, tap on this option, scan QR code. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this continue option. Now you'll be able to scan the QR code and add the friends. Likewise, you can also share the link to profile. You can simply tap on this option, share link to profile, and you'll be able to share the link to the people like we did earlier. So like this, you'll be able to add the friends. So that is how you add friends on Clash Royale. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.